Should you drink water before bed? A glass of water before bedtime may help some individuals fall asleep, but it may also interfere with sleep for others. To assist you in deciding what's best for you, this video looks at the science of sleep and hydration. Despite the fact that our systems are designed to slow down the production of urine while we sleep, drinking too much water might cause you to wake up frequently at night. If you have trouble falling or staying asleep, such as from stress or a sleep disorder, you are even more likely to wake up during the night to use the bathroom. Lack of sleep appears to also increase the risk of dehydration, proving the close relationship between the two conditions. Being thirsty just before bed is actually a fairly normal occurrence. In order to avoid being dehydrated overnight, a desire to drink more in the evening may actually be a normal aspect of the sleep-wake cycle. Even while moderate dehydration does not seem to have a direct effect on sleep in otherwise healthy individuals, staying hydrated supports bodily functions that have an impact on your sleep. Water is a vital nutrient for the body since it helps to flush out waste, lubricate joints, control body temperature, and protect delicate tissues. Adults should drink between 2.5 and 4.5 liters of water per day, depending on their body weight and degree of activity. This can be in the form of ordinary water, fruit, herbal teas, or other beverages. In addition to preventing headaches, drinking water promotes perspiration, which helps us stay cool. In a hotter environment, you are also more prone to perspire at night, which might eventually lead to dehydration. By consuming water before bed, you may prevent dehydration while you sleep and achieve the dip in core body temperature that contributes to drowsiness. Here are a few situations drinking water before bed may be beneficial. Hot water may be used as part of a soothing sleep routine for certain people. A glass of hot water can aid with cold or flu symptoms, allowing you to rest better. People with nasal congestion may consume water to replace lost fluids, since breathing through your mouth dehydrates you more than breathing through your nose. Being hydrated has many advantages, but some people may have trouble falling asleep if they drink water too soon before bedtime. Here are some things to consider about drinking water before bed. Nocturia is the term for waking up in the middle of the night to urinate more than once. Nocturia has been associated with sadness, decreased productivity, falls, accidents, and sleep cycle disruption. Too much water consumption before bedtime can cause nocturia, especially in persons who have specific medical problems including renal disease, diabetes, or who use diuretic medications. The likelihood of nocturia can be decreased by lowering evening fluid intake, avoiding coffee, alcohol, and sugary beverages before bed, requesting permission from your physician to try taking your diuretic medications in the morning. You can find links between fluid consumption and overnight urination by keeping track of how much fluid you consume each night, including watery items like fruit. Reducing fluid consumption in the evening as part of a comprehensive treatment strategy can also assist in lowering bedwetting episodes. Regardless of whether you have bedwetting issues, it is a good idea to finish emptying your bladder just before bed. While drinking water before bed has advantages, numerous midnight wakings to use the restroom might make it difficult to sleep. To get you through the night if you are really thirsty before bed, you can sip on a small glass of water, but the ideal scenario is to keep hydrated all day long to avoid consuming a lot of water before bed. If you want help preventing thirst before bedtime, you might try to avoid foods that are overly sweet, salty, or spicy. If you experience signs of dehydration like thirst, dry mouth or skin, or dark urine, it is crucial that you increase your water intake. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.